We're going to show you how to create a task real simply on the Zoho CRM. Right now we're looking at a contact, and we want to create a task for this contact. And basically, I want to call this guy back on next week sometime on Thursday, right? So I don't go up here, right? I don't do it from here. I want to do it from his page. So I'm going to click on Open Activities here, or so I can create it from here, right? And I can go add a task here, but I don't have to do that. I can just go here to the left here, and then you see this plus button, right? You click on that, and that will give you a drop down, right? You click on task. I'm going to create my task. All right, so call call Johnson about appointments, and I'll just put the date in. So next week Thursday is when he said we should call him, and priority normal. There's different priorities, but this is normal, so you can change that. So let's keep that normal. And then you can put a bunch of different things. I usually don't put reminders and things like that because I don't like the pop-ups. But you can change the owner, who are you assigning this to. If you don't, it will assign it automatically to you, who's creating the task. You also can click on here. It says more fields. And you can do different things, but not necessarily for just creating a quick task. And then you just save that, and that's it. It will be saved on here, and then when the day comes for this task to be done, it will show up on your home page. So on your home page, it says my today's task. It will show up on your home page where you have the task for that particular day. And that's pretty much how it's done.